Nothing hurts more than being in a situation where you have to choose between love and career. Choosing between career and love feels like tearing your heart apart. You are forced to pick between your future and your feelings. Either way, you'll regret what you left behind. Your heart aches knowing you can't have both. We've been together for almost 5 years. We're also in the same circle since grade 8. And all the people in the campus knew about our relationship. Masaya. Oo, pero habang tumatagal ay lumalabo ang pagmamahalan natin. Lalo na ang pagmamahal mo sa akin. To the point na dapat ko pang talikuran ang mga pangarap ko para lang manatili ka sa tabi ko.
Briggs, I received an email from my auntie in Canada. She offered me to study there and also many companies want me to be their model.
Yeah, I know. I saw the email.
If I accept the opportunity then, that's a big step to achieve my dreams to be a model and a businesswoman.
Ito na naman ba tayo, Sam? Napag-usapan na natin to ah.
But Briggs, it's a really big opportunity.
Why? You can't do all of that here in Philippines?
I can, but it's my dream to be model abroad and also the quality in education.
Just choose. Career or our for more than 4 years of relationship.
I always include you to my plan. I need you to support me.
Maraming opportunity na dumating sa akin noon, pero tinanggahan ko para lang manatili ka. At hanggang ngayon ay ganun pa rin. Ganito na lang ba tayo? Hanggang dito na lang ba tayo? Gusto kong marinig mula sa'yo na sabay nating tutuparin ang mga pangarap natin, kagaya ng ipinangako natin noon. Paano mo nagawang ipagkait sa akin ang mga pangarap ko?
Sam, just choose!
Tangina, Briggs, bakit ang unfair mo pagdating sa akin? I always support you no matter what happened. Why can't you do the same? Mahal kita pero dapat mong siguraduhin ang future ko. Natin.
But Sam, please.
You know how it hurts me when you wanted me to choose. At first, yeah, I choose you because I can't bear to lose you.
Sam, I'm sorry.
Just this moment, I realized that choosing your career and prioritizing your self-love will always be the best decision in your life. Briggs, this time, I will choose my career over you. Let's take the different paths.
I'm sorry. My selfish love ruined your career. You're right. We need to be independent and pursue our career. If this is the only way to fix ourselves, then let's take a different path. I give you all of my support to you and the path to take, Sam.
Teka lang. Bakit di kayo nagpapansinan? Oo nga, kanina. Oo nga, bakit na? Bakit na? Bakit kaya? Sabihin naman natin. Huwag na. Bakit? Ice.
Matapos ang banding naming magkakaibigan ay nagpaalam na din ako.
Kumusta ka pala sa Canada? Kumusta ba din natin doon? Alam mo ba, doctor na ako ngayon. And that's what I want from the start. And yes, we did it. Sam, I've been waiting for you. By the way, kasi di ako tumutol sa sinabi mo na hindi kita purpose because I know from the start na toxic ako, self-centered at the time, and so kaya ko na maging yun, matured. Some, I'm still in love with you at hindi yan na nabawasan mo. I hope na maintindihan mo na mahal pa rin kita.
Kayo na ba? Oo, kayo kami na.
Pinagpasalo pa talaga kami ha? Siyempre. Tingong tayo. Oo. Kayo ba?
Malapit ang lutang ba?
Chocolate ba? Sige guys! Continue na lang natin yung pag-jamming natin dito.
Wow! Hindi na tayo babata. Hindi na halata. Hindi na tayo magsasawa. Pero kahit ganun, magkalaman hanggang sa ngayon.
Happy now.